What's going on YouTube? Making a quick video about Cubasis 3 today, and they just dropped a new update called Cubasis 3.2, and I just wanted to discuss them with you and share my thoughts on it. Alright, so first thing on the list is that they added keyboard shortcuts and mouse support. This is a pretty sweet update as this will allow you to navigate around the DAW and emulate the workflow of a traditional PC DAW setup. I'll definitely check this out later on my iPad. Next, this is my favorite part of the update, is that they included two new Waves plugin, which is H-Delay and Waves Tune Real-Time plugin. H-Delay, that's pretty self-explanatory. It's a delay plugin and it's a very popular plugin for slap delays and stuff like that. Next, we have the Waves Tune Real-Time plugin. This is basically Waves' version of Auto-Tune. And I'm pretty excited about this one and I can't wait to make videos on it. Now, a bad thing about this is that these plugins are only exclusive to Cubasis 3. So that means, sorry GarageBand users, you won't be able to use these plugins. And lastly, they improved some performance when it comes to rendering and processing audio files and plugins, which is never a bad thing. I personally never had any issues with this app's performance, but it's nice that they're constantly working on this app to make sure it's running smoothly. If you're not using Cubasis 3, here's why I think this is worth your investment. This is the most complete DAW out right now for the mobile market. Yes, it offers universal app support, so it's available for both iOS and Android. It's the best mobile DAW I use for sequencing and arranging beats, mixing and mastering, and recording and working with audio. And trust me, I've used several different mobile DAW apps such as Nano Studio 2, GarageBand, Beatmaker 3, Korg Studio, etc. I believe this is the best DAW app out on the mobile market right now, and you can save 30% off until January 11th, which equals to about $34. And trust me, this is worth every penny. You won't regret this purchase. I'll show you just how powerful this app is and what you can do in the next few upcoming videos. And don't worry, for all my GarageBand users out there, I'll still be creating GarageBand tutorials. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for me for today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I live stream on YouTube every Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely come and check it out and come hang out with me. I'll see you on the next video. Peace!